Karen Denton. Happy Sunday. Alright, y'all. It just never ends. I'm here now at the building. From freshen it up. I'm supposed to be on my way to the storage unit. Get ready for my project. But I came here. I'm gonna freshen up the bathrooms, get the trash. But wait till I tell you guys what I woke up to today. It's a long story. Alright, so I'll see y'all at the storage unit. Before I could even come up with a solution, I was going through it. And I was just feeling like defeated. I was feeling so defeated. Like, I can't even get the stuff to my project. And then the contractor's out of town. I seen her face. She at a music event or something. Won't even be home till this evening, late tonight. So I gotta make it happen. Like, that's just crazy, y'all. But it's all good. Oh, safety glasses. Let me get some safety glasses. Let me get safety glasses. I mean, they're union workers. They should have it, but I'm gonna take some anyway. Okay, what else? Got detergent. Got towels. Got dusters. Let me see. Alright, so where I had to come wasn't as far as I thought. I'm telling you, God is just so good. So here's the other I got into the car. So now I have like 3 backpacks, 2 mop buckets, 4 dustpans, 4 brooms, 4 mop sticks, 4 mop heads, case of bags, detergent. I got 8 hand buckets, 3 extension cords, 4 extension cords, step ladder. What else I got? Dusters. So we can get started tomorrow. See, that's why you can't panic. Like, before I could even worry about the condition of my van, I had to come up with a solution to getting this stuff to my project. And so, look, it worked. And I still got my front seat once I dropped that stuff at the office. But yeah, you just have to keep pushing. And if you sit in the woe is me, I never would have said, well, shit, I'm just going to put my back seats down. All I need to worry about is the sticks, because I don't got to carry no machines. And then I got 2 mop buckets, so I got everything we need to start, except for I ain't got no push brooms. And I said, but I don't need to push brooms. I got 3 backpacks. So, we're good. We are good. Alright, y'all. Just remember, don't sit in the stuff. Find a solution. Find a solution, because there's always a good side to the bad side. And the bad side, the good side to my bad side today is I ain't got to spend no money no more. I don't got to fight with my son about driving and stuff no more. I can finally be an empty nester.